Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128. In this video, I want to show you a camera strap that you should definitely consider checking out. This is the Peak Design Leash. This is a super thin and light camera strap that's not going to hurt your neck. And as you can see, it's not even on the camera. Let's check it out. So what's really awesome about the Peak Design straps, and all of their straps, not just this one, but they have side ones for your hand, they have bigger ones, is that they run off of these little tags right here. They are quick connecting pegs that will go onto your camera or anything else really, and allow you to easily attach and detach your camera strap. So you don't have to worry about this giant strap that's kind of taking up a lot of space and maybe kind of hard to put on and off. If you've ever had to put on a camera strap before, you may know it's a little bit hard. You don't really know how to do it unless you watch a video. You kind of have to weave the cable through and in and out a bunch of places. It's really frustrating, but this one is super easy to take on and off. The pegs, they're really nice, and again, you can put them on anything. So they give you 4 of them, so I put 2 on this camera and 2 on my GH4. So you just have this right here. You'll just stick it right through, and then you can feed the peg through, and there you go. That's it. Now we've got our strap that comes in this nice bag right here, and this is the strap. It's just this little thing, and on each of the ends we have these little pegs, or these little slots, where you will put each of these. So in order to do this, all we have to do is just take the end, put it right on the edge like that, press down, slide it in, and when you hear that click, it's now in place. And we do the same thing again for the other side. Put it in, press it down, and you will just pull it until it clicks. Now we can go ahead and put the camera on, and there we go. Our camera is now on a strap. It's really easy, and I love how this one's actually a pretty smooth camera strap, and it's super thin. It's not very thick, so it's not going to hurt your neck, and you can easily adjust it with this little thing right here. You can make it longer and shorter, so you don't have to worry about length being affected by how much string you pull through when you're putting on the strap. So let's say we're done recording or taking pictures, and we don't want to stick this giant mess in the cabinet because it's going to not sit very well. Well, to remove it, all you have to do is just press down the tag and then pull it forward, just like that, and now it's removed. And it's the same thing for the other side. You press it down, and then it just goes right out, just like that. And then because the strap is so thin and light, you can fold it up really easily and stick it right back in this bag. But there you go, that is the Peak Design Leash. They do make many other camera straps, ones that are much more padded and stronger. They also do have a side grip for the camera, so if you want to hold it like this. They got a bunch of different products. I'll drop a link to their website and this strap down below. This is definitely something I've been looking for forever, and if you are a filmmaker or a photographer, I think you're definitely going to love this, and it's definitely worth checking out. It's not that expensive, and it's going to save you a lot of time. But there you go, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.